Ah, Rapunzel, let down your hair.
How did he know? I am a dragon.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to embark on a journey of fantasy. Okay, so what I want, ladies and gentlemen, for you to give me is a fairy tale. Your favorite fairy tale na kung wala yun, hindi kayo kung sino kayo today.
Wow.
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel.
Okay, si Rapunzel. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here Aaron Cristobal, Carl Eschaluche, Cara Fernandez, Cara Flores.
Sino yun?
Sino yun?
And they have Marabot to perform the real story of Rumpelstiltskin.
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel. This is Rapunzel.
I'm doing this all for you, anak Rapunzel.
I want to go out into the world,
When
Mama.
you turn 18, pwede ka nang lumabas. But for now, Mother knows best.
What? I hear a prince singing.
Ah, Rapunzel, let down your hair.
How did he know?
Any minute now.
I am a dragon.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po natin ang totoong story ng Rapunzel.
May dragon.
May dragon. Meron.
Dragon! Liga dito, Dragon!
A Warner Brothers version. Yes.
Mamimili kayo kung sino dito sa apat na characters ang dapat wala sa mundong ito. Palakpakan po ha. Is it Mother, who knows best? Is it Rapunzel herself? Is it the prince na hindi makakita ng buhok? Or is it the dragon? Wait. Again. Is it Rapunzel? Or is it the dragon? Ladies and gentlemen, say goodbye to Rapunzel. And this is a story, a Rapunzel story without Rapunzel.
Hi. It's so lonely up here in my tower without a daughter to exploit and punish. Oh, is that a prince I hear?
Would you like a son instead?
Why don't you come up here? Here, use the ladder instead of the hair.
I am a dragon. You can climb up on my wings.
And ladies and gentlemen, parang mas magandang version to, no? Okay, walang inaapi, lahat nagtutulungan. Sige, sino po dito ang mawawala sa kwento? Is it the mother? Is it the prince? Or is it the dragon? Ladies and gentlemen, let's say goodbye to the Prince of Rapunzel. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Rapunzel without Rapunzel and the Prince.
Oh, how lonely it is up here in my tower without a daughter and a prince to exploit.
I can be your daughter.
Ladies and gentlemen, last na! Ito na ang round. Tingnan natin kung sino ang tunay na bida ng Rapunzel. So ang papalakpakan ninyo, yun yung magsistay. Ang tunay na bida po ba ay si Mother? Ang tunay na bida ba ay ng Rapunzel, ha? Iron Dragon! Ladies and gentlemen, this is called Rapunzel and the Dragon.
Makapagluto nga ng adobo.
Ladies and gentlemen, and Cara.
Bakit may dragon?
This is Shrek, no? Wala, meron dragon doon. May nabasa. This is Shrek ba to?
Oh my goodness. You know, that dragon had so much anger, no?
I know.
Okay, so much anger and only adobo could fix it.
Exactly.